Hello friend, welcome to King's Group. This video I will show you the new version of the Samsung, the new phones. That is the Samsung Galaxy S9. Yes, right, you're right. It's S9, but it's a clone. Yeah, you know the Samsung company still not released the S9, but in China we already have the clone phones. But I think just the factory got some information from the Samsung company. Yeah, this one is the S8 Plus. Later I will compare two versions. You know, all of us, we don't know what the Samsung Galaxy S9 looks like. But we just got the model. I will show you right now. Okay, we got two color. This one is a gold color, and this one is black color. Okay, let's take it out. Let me show you the gold color first. You see, the front also have edge side. Thick, but the phone I think is very thick. The back, you can see the back have dual camera and flashlight here, and the fingerprint here, and they have Samsung logo here. The others almost the same. You see here have the home button and the SIM card store and the voice button, and what this button used for, I don't know. And the charger, the charge point, it's still the you see, it's not like it's design like the S8, right? S8 and S8 Plus is the same, but it's different from the S7 or S7H. You see. Okay, this is gold version. Looks like, and put here. Okay, and then now it's turned black color. The front, the screen is black. The side also edge curved. And here have a front camera and the sensors here. Side and the bottom have the charger, earphone point, and a speaker. Okay, SIM card slot and a power button. This is the front of the phone. The back of the phone, you see, S9, the camera, it's like this. And the fingerprint, flashlight, and Samsung logo. Okay, let's compare with the S8. This phone is my second-hand original. This phone is original second-hand S8 Plus. Let's compare with the S9. You see what the difference? You see the camera and the flashlight, that's different. You see, S8 Plus just have one camera, but S9 have a dual camera, dual camera, and the fingerprint here, and the S8 Plus fingerprint here, and the flashlight, the S8 Plus is on the left, and S9 flashlight is on the right. So we don't know what the original S9 looks like, but we already got a model S9. I think it's just the China factory copied it. They must got some information from the original company, so that's why they made it. This is not a good phone. This is the HDC The RAM is 1 gigabit and ROM is 8 gigabit, and screen size I think is the same like the S8 Plus. I think the real screen size that is 5.8 inch. You know, it's not a full screen. But I think the better S9 clone will come after original release. You understand? Okay, we already turn on the phone. You see the inside. It's still almost like the S8, right? S8. The software is almost the same like the S8 and the S8 Plus, but inside you can change it's S9 or S9 Plus, and the model number is the SMG9600. You can change it. You can change it to SMG9600T or F or A. It's up to you, you know. And the series number and the SIM and DMA and the language and the rule size. The RAM size you can change to 6 gigabits, you know, and ROM you can change 128 gigabits. And the single, when you put a SIM card, the single shows which size you want to show. You can show 4G, you can show 4G LTE. It's up to you. And the single and the CPU model, you can just show the same like the Samsung. You can also just show MT6595. But the real CPU of this phone, that is the MTK6580. And the CPU code, and that is here you can show the article code persistor. But the real of this one is a four core CPU code persistor. Okay, this is just the HDC version, and let me show you what the phone works. And the camera I think is a 5 megapixel. It's so it's not a very, I think it's fine, but this phone I think is cheap. But we not got the original accessory like a box, charger, earphone, and not have a box for this phone. So if you want to buy the phone, you just can buy with the S8 box. S8 box with this phone. But I think the factory will make the accessories too, you know. But at least we need waiting for the S9, the company, the official, the original, the real S9 arrive. Then we will get a more similar version clone. But this one is the first clone of the S9. Even they don't know the S9 looks like, they already clone it. So that's amazing. But this phone, you see, you can compare with the S8 Plus. This one is original. This is clone S9. You see, the S9 is more thin. The S8 Plus is more thinner, right? More thinner. But I think original S9 also will be thinner too. But this just clone. You see the size. The S9 is thick. The S9 is thinner than the S8 Plus. Okay, so I just give the first review for the S9. So give you more information about the phones, about the clone phones. Okay, so we are King's Group. We give more information about the clone phones and the original refurbished phone and the original second-hand phones. If you want more information about us, you can contact our service. You can contact us. We will give you more information. So you just follow my YouTube channel. We will give you more information about the phones in China. So, okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, friend. And okay, wait, hold on. I will show you one more thing that's interesting. Maybe you are interested. And just go the iPhone X. That is a special edition. That is the with dinosaur. You see? I will make this video in my next video. It's really cool. It's have a two color, one black and one black and one white. But these two color were just the back cover different. The details specification I will introduce in my next video. You can see it's very nice. Okay, this is my next video. Okay, so thanks for watching. Have a nice day, friend. Bye.